These are the top 3 best 3D printed fidgets of 2025 in the Paw Print store on Etsy. Stay tuned for the last one. First off, we have the articulated shark. It is so satisfying to shake and can make great decoration. Number 2 would be the fidget star. It is extremely satisfying to play with. And finally, for the last one, we have the infinity cube. This is by far the most fun to play with and comes in many colors. Get all of these at our store on Etsy, linked in the description and comments.